Students, today we will see the techniques involved in the plant tissue culture. PTC is nothing but the plant tissue culture. So last class we have seen about the laboratory facilities. What are the facilities that the laboratory should have? Those things we have seen in the last class. Today we will see the techniques. First thing is sterilization. What do you mean by sterilization? Sterilization is nothing but purification. In simple words, is that it is nothing but the purification. So the sterilization is a technique employed to get rid of microbes. So purifying means what? You are getting rid of the microbes like bacteria, fungi in the culture medium, vessels, explants. The techniques you are going to implement, those things are purified. The machineries and also the medium, all these things are going to be purified. That is called as sterilization. First thing is maintenance of aseptic environment. What do you mean by aseptic? I told you in the previous class, aseptic is nothing but keeping it pure. So without any microbes, without any microbes. During in vitro culture, in vitro means inside the glass tube. The culture is maintained inside the glass tube. During in vitro culture, maintenance of the aseptic environment condition should be followed. What are the things that should be followed? First thing is sterilization of the glasswares. The glasswares are cleaned and purified. Not only clean, it is purified. Purified in the sense it is getting rid of the bacteria and fungi. Forceps, the instrument that is used to take the plant from one thing. Forceps is nothing but it is similar to, it is a divider, like the divider. And then scalpels are similar to the blades. And all accessories or nothing but it is similar to the knife. Scalpels like the knife and eating knife, okay. And all accessories in wet steam sterilization by autoclaving at 15 psi. Psi is pound force per square inch. The pound force per square inch in the autoclaving machine under the degree 121. For minutes is 15 to 30 minutes it is kept, or either it can be autoclaved or you can dip it in the 70% of ethanol solution followed by the flaming and cooling. So first is the aseptic environment is maintained by the sterilizing the glasswares, forceps, the instruments that are used for the culture. Those things are sterilized. Sterilized glasswares, forceps, scalpels, and it is autoclave. All these are put in the autoclave oven and at the degree of 15 psi. Psi is pound force per square inch and the degree of 121 for 15 to 30 minutes, or dipping in 70% of ethanol followed by flaming, showing to the flame and cooling, sudden cooling. These things will cause getting rid of the microbes. The microbes will die in these if you do this procedures. Okay. Next is the room. Now we are going to sterilize the room. How we are going to sterilize the room? The floor, walls are washed first with a detergent. First they are washed with a detergent and with 2% sodium hypochlorite or 95% of ethanol. Here the glasswares of 70% of ethanol is used. Here 95% of ethanol, because the floors and the walls will have more microbes, so 95% of ethanol is used. Now the cabinet of laminar airflow, and the airflow is also sterilized by cleaning the work surface with same 95% of ethanol and then exposure of UV radiation for 15 minutes. The room is allowed to expose for UV radiation for 15 minutes. Next is sterilization of the nutrient media. The media in which the plant is grown, that media is sterilized. That is also sterilized. The culture media are dispensed in the glass containers and it is plugged. Plugged means it is closed or sealed with a plastic closures or cotton, and then it is autoclave. It is put it in the autoclave oven at 15 psi and 121 degree for 15 to 30 minutes. Then the plant extracts, vitamins, amino acids, hormones are sterilized by passing through the millipore filter. It's a minute filter of 0.2 mm pore diameter and then added to sterilized culture medium inside the laminar airflow chamber under sterile condition. In the nutrient media, the media in the glass, it is taken in the glass container, it is closed with a cotton or plastic closure and then it is sterilized in the autoclave oven. Then the plant extracts amino acids, all these are passed through the millipore filters. Next step is the sterilization of the explants, the piece of tissue that is we are using for the culture. The plant materials to be used for the tissue culture should be surface sterilized by first exposing the material in. First it is washed in the running tap water. This will take out the microbes and then it is treated in the surface sterilization by 0.1% of mercury chloride and 70% of ethanol, then under the aseptic condition inside the laminar airflow. The plant tissue that is taken, that is exposed in the running water, then it is treated in the 1% of 0.1% of mercury chloride, then 70% of ethanol, then under the laminar airflow chamber. That's all about the sterilization of the room. First, the materials that are going to be used are sterilized, the equipments are sterilized, then the room is sterilized, then the culture media is sterilized. Now the explant is also sterilized, they are purified. Next is the media preparation. The plant is where it is going to be grown is purified, is prepared. The success of the tissue culture lies in the composition of the growth medium. What the medium will contain, that depends on the growth. Okay, if the medium has contained all the regulators, all the things that are necessary, the plant will grow very easily. The plant growth regulators and the culture conditions such as temperature, pH, light and humidity. No single medium is capable of maintaining the optimum growth of all plant tissues. So the success depends upon the what the medium contains, the regulators, the conditions of temperature, pH, light and humidity. The nutrient medium, that is MS, the preferably commonly used medium is MS. MS is given name Mirasage and Skook. It is a short form in 1962. It contains carbon sources with vitamins and hormones. The media formulations available for the plant tissue cultures other than MSR B5. B5 is also used other than Gamboge and white medium, niched medium, and then these are the other mediums used. A medium may be solid or a medium may be solid or semi-solid or liquid. It may be any other form. For solidification, a gelling agent, sugar is added. Mostly the medium is MS nutrient medium. It contains carbon sources, vitamins and hormones. The media also it may be B5, white medium, niched medium. A medium may be either in the solid, semi-solid or liquid form. For solidification, we are adding the agent, that is agar. That is the basic preparation that is got from the marine alga, a complex mucilaginous polysaccharide that is obtained from the marine alga. Marine alga is seaweed used as solidifying agent in media preparation.